Have you ever paused and asked yourself, am I real or just a collection of atoms having thoughts? Every color you see, every pain you feel, every memory you cherish, where does you actually live? Today we dive into one of the greatest mysteries of all consciousness, the feeling of being. Consciousness isn't just waking up each morning, it's the subjective experience, what it feels like to be you. Philosophers call this the phenomenal aspect of the mind. It's like your inner movie, something that's private and honestly kind of ineffable. In contrast, your brain is a physical organ filled with neurons, chemicals, and electrical signals that, well, we can actually measure. Bridging these two, experience and biology, that's really the heart of the mystery. Neuroscientist David Chalmers drew a crucial distinction. Easy problems are about explaining behaviors, like how the brain processes sights, remembers names, or controls muscles. The hard problem is explaining why and how these physical processes become experience. Why does firing neurons feel like joy or pain? Why isn't all this just a soulless computation? Over centuries, thinkers have offered different answers. Dualism, as proposed by Descartes, suggests that mind and body are separate. Your thoughts belong to a non-physical realm. Physicalism, on the other hand, claims that everything about mind arises from matter. Consciousness is an emergent property of complex neural networks. Panpsychism. Now that's a surprising twist. Maybe, just maybe, all matter has some form of proto-consciousness, and when these tiny bits combine, they create the rich experience we all share. Modern neuroscience, it reveals the neural correlates of consciousness, specific brain circuits that are active when we're aware. Yet, even with all our fancy scans, none of them show why these patterns actually feel like anything at all. Now, consider the idea of a philosophical zombie. That's a being identical to you in every way, behavior, speech, reaction, but with absolutely no inner life. If that's even conceivable, does it suggest that consciousness isn't just reducible to matter? Or picture the brain in a vat. If your brain's connected to a computer feeding it fake senses, how would you even know reality? These thought experiments, force us to confront a big question. Perhaps consciousness is actually more fundamental than space, time, or matter. Today, AI can mimic human language and mimic tasks, but does it feel anything? If we build a machine with 1 billion synapse-like connections, will it wake up one day? Or are we forever bound by biology? As we create ever more powerful neural networks, the question of machine consciousness becomes urgent, legally, ethically, even spiritually. So what have we learned? Consciousness remains the ultimate mystery, where subjective experience meets objective science. Your sense of self, your feelings, your choices, they all arise from patterns of energy in your brain. Yet somehow from those patterns emerges you. If you're still with me, leave a comment. What do you think consciousness really is? Subscribe, and let's continue exploring the mysteries of our own minds, together.